okay.
Hello.
How you doing now?
Fine.
Wetin dey sup?
How far now?
I dey wetin dey sup now?
Don't tell where I see you.
About no say on house na first just dey find work dey do now. Wetin dey happen now? This one wey just dey think so wetin happen now?
I don tire as I dey like this.
Wetin happen?
I don tire for this Nigeria.
You what?
This Nigeria now, me like this now, I dey 23 years like this now. As I dey like this, where I don reach 23, I never still get anything wey I want. As I dey like this one, I don reach 23 years.
23 years.
When I wan go get the money now?
You think say you dey wise? You are a
e be like say something dey worry your head o. 23 years you dey say you never get anything. You no know say you get achievement pass Nigeria.
Jesus!
Me wey dey like this I get achievement. You know how many years wey Nigeria celebrate this year? 61
You
years.
what?
You dey 23, you dey complain say you never get anything. The Nigeria wey you come dey wey be 61 years, wetin Nigeria get? Me as I dey so, I be 24 years, I get achievement pass Nigeria wey be 61 years. You know how many years Nigeria take senior you?
Na true to.
I mean, see, me I no dey think again because the country wey I dey into, wey dey born me put sef, dem no get achievement, dem no get anything.
How many times will they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not?
Before me go reach 61 years, the achievement wey I go get.
Will you keep quiet?
Yes.
Oh, no.
Me I dey tell you something.
I will do something about that thing. I will do something about that.
They happy. Na me dey tell you they happy. Make we go down my junction, make we go drink Ogogoro for there. Make we go.
You be better person.